Hello, gorgeous. Look at that. That is stunning.
Well, it's a 68 Corvette. It's the first of the C3s in this truly fantastic shape.
I want a piece of this. Can we take it out?
Of course we can.
So who's driving? Do you want to drive?
Yes, let's drive.
Tim is finding out just why the Corvette has been such an iconic car for such a long time.
What is it about a Corvette that you love so much, Tom?
Just the style, the race history. You know, when you've got a Corvette, you're a part of an enormous club.
Yeah. Everything about it screams cool. It is a cool car, isn't it?
Absolutely cool, yeah.
The thing about American muscle cars on English roads is a lot of people feel that they're, you know, they're inappropriate, they're oversized, they're, you know, dead thirsty, because they are a very noisy, big lump, aren't they?
Yes, but I think robust is a much better way of describing it. It's big, heavy engineering, and it works.
The C3 Corvette was in fact the third generation of the Stingray line and was in continuous production from 1968 to 1982. But it didn't end there, as Corvettes are still being made to this very day. And it's the much more modern C6 that Tim has his beady eye on.
You've got a black C6 down the front.
Yes.
Is that for sale as well?
That's for sale, yes. Everything's for sale.
Got to be honest, as much as I adore this car, I've got this thing in my mind which is saying, be more sensible. You know,
Yes.
for something a little newer.
OK, well, I'm very happy for you to go for a drive in it.
OK, have you got the keys on you?
I have.
I'll see you in a couple of hours.
OK, great.
Cheers, mate. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Guess who's only gone and got themselves a Corvette C6 for the afternoon? The first thing that strikes me about this car is the sound of the engine. I'm tweaking the accelerator pedal and already you can hear it wanting to scream. A comfortable drive, feels very, very low, but it feels very, very sturdy to drive, which is a great thing. Oh, let's put our foot down. Whoa! 6.2 litres, V8, 0 to 60 in about 4 seconds. I feel like I'm riding on a warhead. People talk about Corvettes as being a straight-line weapon. This thing most definitely feels like that. Let's give it a little bit of beans. Can you hear that? Whoa. I'll tell you what, it flies. This is the car that you're getting when you're on your way to an argument, and I love it. It makes me feel rock hard. That car is hot.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's an absolute, take those off me. What a beast.
It's tremendously fast and brings out the best in you and the worst.
Decision time, right, so C3, C6, C3.